Hey guys, it's Jessie with Lost Marbles Farm. Today I'm going to show you how to make wild violet jelly. In the South, everywhere this time of year, you're going to find wild violets growing. They're beautiful little purple flowers. I'm fixing to show you how to identify them when you're out looking. And you're not going to believe how easy this recipe is. There's literally 4 ingredients, y'all. It takes no time at all, and you got to try. All right, guys, so I've got a little cluster of violets growing here beside our house. They're really prolific this time of year. You'll sometimes be driving down the road and see a whole carpet of purple where they have a whole bunch of violets growing. So they look like this, and the leaves look like hearts to me. They're kind of heart-shaped. Okay, so once you find a whole bunch of them, you're going to pick all the flowers like this. You don't want the stem, just the flower. And you want at least 2 cups, but you can also do 4 cups as well. The more cups you do, the more deeper of a color you're going to make your tea with. So just keep that in mind. If you want a more vibrant color jelly at the end, you want to have 4 cups of the violets. So, but you can get by with 2. It's just going to be a lighter color. Once you get your violets inside, you want to make sure you rinse them well under cool water. Then you're going to add 2 cups of hot boiling water to the petals. You'll cover the tea and let it steep for 24 hours. Okay, in my saucepan, I have added 2 cups of the tea that I made with my violets and 1/4 cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice. I used a big lemon, and that was exactly 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Right, next, I'm going to whisk in. This is the low sugar pectin, this packet. Then I'm going to add 2 cups of white sugar. All right, so I've got the sugar I just added. I'm going to whisk that in. You're going to bring this to a full rolling boil. Then, when it comes to a full rolling boil, you're going to turn the heat down and simmer it for 5 minutes. Alright guys, while I'm waiting for this, I do want to give you a tip. If you want to see if your jelly is ready, you can take a little bit, like a ladle, a tiny amount, like a teaspoon amount on a saucer, and pop it in the freezer for a minute. Then take it out and use a little spoon or something to kind of rake through the jelly, and if it separates and makes a clean path, then you know that it's good. If not, cook it just a little bit longer. I'm going to show you an example of the test. This has been in the freezer for a minute, so I'm just going to take my spoon. Okay, test has passed. You know it's ready. You want to fill up your hot jars up to a 1/4 inch headspace. Then process in your hot water bath canner for 10 minutes. Okay, so for this recipe, I ended up with 5 1/4 pints. So I actually had a 1.5 cups left over of my tea. So what I'm going to do is add water to make another 2 cups, do another batch, and then I'll wait till that batch is finished, and I'm going to do process all of them together, so to give me 10 1/4 pints to process.